Manvinder Singh Shekhawat. Today I want to tell you about Sri Lanka's economical crisis. The main part of Sri Lanka's economy is tourism. In COVID period, the tourism is totally off, so Sri Lanka's economy is decreasing continuously.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Abhay Singh Rathod. Today I am going to tell you about Sri Lanka. As you all know, today Sri Lanka is going through its worst economic crisis since its independence from Britain in 1948.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Digvijay Singh and I am going to tell about Sri Lankan political crisis. The Sri Lankan political crisis began on 3rd April 2022 when 26 members of 2nd Rajapaksa's cabinet resigned overnight with Prime Minister.
Jai Hind friend, my name is Dinesh Chaudhary. Today I am going to tell you about Sri Lanka political crisis. Sri Lanka political crisis is an ongoing political crisis in Sri Lanka due to the power struggle between the Sri Lankan President and Parliament of Sri Lanka.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Virendra. I am going to tell about Sri Lanka. In the world is called and manufacturing trade center in the world.
Sri Lanka have 113th position in GDP. In 2020, Sri Lanka's GDP growth is -3, and in 2021, Sri Lanka's GDP growth is in 2021, Sri Lanka's GDP growth is minus $3.6 billion, and in 2022, Sri Lanka's GDP growth is minus $3.7 billion, and total GDP of Sri Lanka is $81.2 billion.
The economic crisis in Sri Lanka started from April 2019 because in April 2019 the Easter bombing happened in which 260 people died and in which many people are of foreign state, so it affected its tourists, and because the tourists contributes 5% to GDP, so the GDP decreases.
In September 2021, the government declared as economic emergency Sri Lanka as a situation. Further, the national currency exchange rate of Sri Lanka decreased.
Sri Lanka export $15.1 billion every year, and the main exporters are USA, UAE, India, and import $20.8 billion, and the main exporters are China, India, and UAE.
And then the Sri Lanka's the export is decrease and import are increase.
Many countries give loan to Sri Lanka, like China and USA, to occupy some part of Sri Lanka. But present time, India give some eatable things to Sri Lanka as a humanity.
There is a great amount of loan on Sri Lanka. As my friend says, the China has the maximum amount of loan on Sri Lanka. It is of $5 billion, and from India it is of $3.8 billion, and Israel also holds approximately $3.5 billion of loan to Sri Lanka, and it is a main reason of its economic crisis.
As my friend Manvinder said, India is helping Sri Lanka on its crisis. India is sending about 40,000 crores of money and food items to Sri Lanka and hoping for its some part of land for this.
India and Sri Lanka relation is very good. In COVID periods, India also gave approx 5 lakh vaccine to Sri Lanka.
Then Sri Lanka's can achieve the imports of the China's India's help of 22.97%, China and India 19.28%, Malaysia is 4.08%.
In present time, Sri Lanka's export rate is decreased and import rate is very high.
According to Gary Rice, the director of the Department of Communication, International Monetary Fund, Sri Lanka needs at least $4 billion to restart its economy.
As Sri Lanka is getting inflation on highest food pricing and pandemic restriction in tourism leads to decrease in country.
As Manvinder said, Sri Lanka has to increase export rate and have to decrease import rate.
The Sri Lanka's help of other countries like foods and supply for foods and other things.
The World Bank says any country not give loan to Sri Lanka because Sri Lanka is not able to pay the loan of any countries.
According to William Burns, the chief of the CIA, Central Investigation Agency, that China is totally responsible for the condition of Sri Lanka.
As the economy of Sri Lanka is decreasing, no country is helping Sri Lanka except India and China.
China is only helping Sri Lanka for his own self.
And the Sri Lanka's export is decreased, and there are technologies full and teas processing and coffees and other things.
As we are know, in present time, India give loan and eatable things in free of cost. And past 2021, as Dinesh says, India give free of cost vaccine. And I think in future India also give Sri Lanka to free of cost necessary things when the pandemic comes.
In June 2022, the inflation in Sri Lanka rises up to 50%. That's why this is the peak point of the economic crisis in Sri Lanka in the past 4 years.
Sri Lanka is getting decreasing situation of decreasing GDP. As a result, it should increase export price, and less the import price.
The protests are ongoing in Sri Lanka. The children's, women's, old men's, and university students are taking part in this.
The India's prices and Sri Lanka prices is 4 multiple.
In present time, the GDP is very low and the pandemic condition are here Sri Lanka. So peoples are moved to other countries to satisfy their hunger.
According to Asian Development Bank, it has already given a statement that the economy of the Sri Lanka will lower down till 2.4% in 2022. But they didn't take any action against it. That's why the economic crisis is going on.
On 13th of July, the President Gotabaya Rajapaksa resigned from his post, and there is Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, Ranil Wickremesinghe, acting as the President, taking his oath in front of Chief Justice Jayanta Jashmi.
The price of eatable things and necessary things is rising very fastly in Sri Lanka.
Then the Sri Lanka are not provide for other countries.
Sri Lanka is 25th biggest landlower country in the world. If the situation are continue, it is not happen 25th landlower country.
As my friend said that Ranil Wickremesinghe has become now the Prime President. So, and he said in his statement yesterday that he will now give more power to the Parliament than the President.
Sri Lanka's maximum income come from coconut and tourism in country, so that's why the pandemic restriction on these leads to decrease in country's income.
Sri Lanka mainly exports tea, spice, coconut, rubber, etc.
According to data, is 2016 is population below poverty line is 4.1%, and your present time is 2020 is 11.5%.
As Dinesh and Digvijay says, Sri Lanka's mostly GDP comes from coconut tourism. So in present time, Sri Lanka control the situation. Sri Lanka try to grow their coconut business and tourism also.
In June 2019, the GDP was 12.56% approximately, but in 2022, it is now 9.56% approximately. So, due to the GDP, it affects the economic crisis a lot.
Ranil Wickremesinghe, the President of Sri Lanka, should take an emergency meeting to control the country's crisis.
As Digvijay said, Sri Lankan political leaders have to pay attention on the situation of country, but they are not paying attention on the country situation.
The present time is not available for things, and your other countries are provided for food and other things.
In present time, no countries help Sri Lanka. China already says he want to their loan in December.
Sri Lanka. Presently, the situation going on in Sri Lanka is due to the bad politics and bad policies of the government and the people.
As my friend Mahendra says, China is hoping for its loan till December, and also had taken the Hambantota port of Sri Lanka as a lease for 99 years.
China is offering their ports, but India is providing them loan and eatable things as a immunity.
And then the Sri Lanka is the China provide for $22.96 billion and India is 19.16 billion.
Sri Lanka's in present time Sri Lanka's best friend is India. He is provided all of things that the Sri Lanka need.
As my friend Dinesh and Mahendra said that India is helping Sri Lanka, but there is also a reason behind it that India wants the land on Sri Lanka because China is advancing towards Sri Lanka and occupying the land of Sri Lanka, and it is a threat to India in the Indian Ocean. So to counterattack this, India is helping him and he wants land in lease against of this.
As my friend Abhay said, the China is
If the situation will continue in the future, the land lover of Sri Lanka will occupy like countries like China, USA, and Israel also.
If the situation, as my friend says, will continue like this, then there will be a great amount of starvation in the country, and which leads to different type of diseases in the country, and that will lead to the damage of the living beings.
if the situation continues and the food crisis continues in Sri Lanka's economy will be going very down, and it will not be able to buy weapons to defend itself.
If the situation continues, as Mahendra said, the other countries will occupy their land and the food crisis will continue, then people will fight for eatable things.
In future, if the continuously will not use the continuously will not the Sri Lanka they are dying.
I think the World Bank provide some money as a loan to Sri Lanka and some necessary thing and eatable thing to Sri Lanka control their situation as a humanity.
If Sri Lanka will work on its policies and if he will make the policies in a good way and if it will increase its tourist department, then the GDP will automatically increase and the economic crisis will lower down.
I think the political leaders should come in front and lead the country in such a way that country should come out of the crisis and people also contribute to come out of the crisis.
Sri Lankan political leaders have to pay attention on it and they have to increase import rate and decrease export rate.
Sri Lanka population, Sri Lanka people are unity strength and solution for this problem.